channel, and today I am so excited because at last I received my yarns. So today I will be unboxing this yarns. This is from Shopee yarn by JCY. Okay, so I just received this package this morning and I am so excited to open this up. And you know, I have also ordered some yarns from Doin Lee. I already ordered this. I already received this package last week, but ngayon lang ako nagka-time na mag video taking with this So this is from Mr. True Wise. Okay. Yan. This I so love this yarn. These are cotton yarn. I don't know, milk cotton. Okay, so this is stretchy, good for kids. Good for kids na stuffs like bonnets, blankets, etc., etc. for kids. And also this is good for bikini. And I can't read the Quran. It's because it's Chinese and I don't know how to read Chinese. So thank you for this. Thank you Shopee, and thank you Mr. True Wise. I think it's doinly.ph or doinly.com. I forgot. I'm so sorry because here is Mr. True Wise. Okay. Yeah, and thank you for the freebies. Hello Kitty. Yeah. And now I'm so excited. By the way, this has another koan package from you know, I already used I only left the packaging because I already used it. And then this is from Ma'am Lorna Abilanes Dash Kusi. Thank you so much from Baguio City, Benguet, North Luzon. And I really love your yarns, and I'm looking forward to order it again. Okay, so now I'm still not using it for now. Okay, sige. So now it's time to unbox the package. Okay, it's so bigat. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Thank you, ma'am. This is by the way, this is from Ma'am Crisel Gan, from Valenzuela City, Metro Manila. Thank you. I ordered this last September, I think last September 9, and then I already received it. Since I came from Cebu province, so it takes how many days to para bago makarating sa bahay. So thank you also J&T Express for very accommodating. Bita, salamat kayo J&T Express sa inyong sa pag-deliver, sa delivery man. Thank you so much. You're so kind and you're so good. Thank you so much. Okay, so now mag-unbox na tayo because I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Saan naman eh? Sa amin eh? Okay, I'm so excited. Yeah. Excited ako sa kong mga yarn. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Yeah. Nahirapan tayo dito. Yeah. Ayan na. Wow. Okay. So this is fine cotton yarn. Fine cotton yarn, and this is made from in the field. I think in the field. In the field. Yarn threads and stitches by JCY. Thank you so much, JCY, for prompt shipping. Okay, I'm looking forward to order this again. These colors, I think this is 200 grams. 200 grams. Ayan. Okay, this one is 100 grams. Mabango siya. Mabango. Oh my god. And, ang gusto ko nito is, it is, separately packed, or it is packed one by one. Okay? So, this color is fuchsia pink. Fuchsia pink. I like the colors. Yeah. I like the colors. So, ay, nahulog. Okay. Ito, yellow. Yellow. Ayan. Maganda siya. Maganda yung ano niya. It's nice. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to start my project for this, for all of this. Okay. There are, and may pa-freebies pa si ano. Ayan. Hala. I really love this, I really love this. Ang ingay ng mga aso sa labas. I'm so sorry because I don't have any studio to, because I don't have any choice. Okay. And I live in the highway, so, you can hear some motor passing by and any Chevrolet. Because, yeah, there are lots of maingay dito sa labas. So, I love this. Thank you so much for the freebies. I'm looking forward. I'm still waiting for the other shipment. Okay. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And these are the yarns I received. Okay, I can't. Di ko kaya. Ang dami niya. Nag-Shoppeehaul ako lang yan. Yarnhaul ba tawag dito o sa Shoppeehaul? Okay. So, I don't have any much to say. So, that's it for today. I hope, guys, you will still support me. Bisag di ko kabaw kayo mo English. And, yeah, thank you so much, Shopee, and thank you so much, JCY. Yarn, threads, and stitches by JCY. Okay, and, yeah, thank you also, Duwinly.ph ata, basta Mr. Chu, Wise, and thank you also, Ma'am Lorna Ibales. Yeah, nag-plug ako dito, baka naman, bitaw. So, I do hope, guys, that you will support me, and see you in my next upload, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. Mwah.